The Lowdown: Why Personal Branding Matters. This presentation will give you the lowdown on why you should care about your personal branding. You'll first discover what exactly personal branding is and then why it matters. It will then discuss why you should dedicate your time to precisely developing your personal branding. While it may seem like something that can be tedious to flesh out, personal branding is an essential part of business strategy and a key aspect of success. Basically, your personal branding is how you market yourself to be perceived by others. It is your public image and therefore needs to reflect your goals, and it needs to be consistent and positive across all platforms. Personal branding is, effectively, the impression that your audience will have of you, so naturally you want it to be a good one. Personal branding encompasses the distinctive combination of your assets, your education, your skills, your experiences, and your personality as you want your followers to see it. Your personal branding is unique to you and you only. Therefore, when creating your personal branding, you need to determine what makes you unique and use this to make yourself recognizable. Figure out exactly what makes you special and then capitalize on that. You should brand yourself around your strengths. The key to successful branding strategy is executing it in such a way that does not seem like you are marketing yourself at all. It is simply how you are. This is because consumers crave authenticity and credibility. You do not want to seem like a persona, just a person. There are so many unknown faceless accounts scattered across the internet. Use your branding to ensure you stand out from them. But why does personal branding matter? Is it not enough to just be out there? The answer, unfortunately, given the sheer quantity of brands that people interact with daily, is no. It pretty much boils down to whether or not you want to be successful. Since you presumably want an audience to sell yourself and your products to, personal branding matters. Personal branding helps to build and foster connection with your target audience. Having a good product or good content is of no relevance if you do not have the audience required for it to be successful. By positioning yourself as the expert in your area and creating a strong foundation for your branding, your audience will soon follow. Personal branding is essential to earning name recognition. Once your brand is out there, it is more likely to be successful when attached to a well-known name. Think of celebrities who release products. Would they be anywhere near as successful if they were not endorsed by someone who already has a huge platform, following, and brand? Having a personal branding strategy helps you stand out from the crowd. It is also a great way for you to have a personal connection with your audience. You can market yourself exactly towards their tastes and needs, making it easy for them to engage and interact with you. To conclude, having a good quality personal brand is the key to success in the 21st century.